In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete an attachment in Yahoo Mail. Now, the first thing you can do when you're actually composing a new email, so if I click on a new message, top left, and from here, if I just go and attach a random document just for the purpose of this video, I'm going to click this one and then click on open, and let's say you put on different attachments and you want to delete them or remove them. So to do this, you're going to have to go and hover over the attachment and click on the X button over here to remove it, and that's going to remove that specific attachment, okay? That's the first way you could do this. But then if you have like an email which you want to, for example, forward to somebody, so if I go to send over here, I do have like an email over here which I can of course go and then try to send. So let's say this is the email over here which I want to forward, but it does have some attachments. Now by default, there's no way to actually remove these, so you actually want to click on the forward button, and then once you are forwarding to somebody, you want to go hover over the attachment and then click on remove over here, same way as before, okay? So that's essentially how this works. You can then type in the recipients and then of course send your email to whoever you want. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.